Grug has one shell. Grug wants meat. But Meat Man say, no, one meat, three shells. Grug confused. Last moon, one shell, one meat. Now three shells? Why? Meat same size. Shells look same. This is called inflation. Inflation mean price go up. Your shell buy less. Shell lose power. Grug need more shells for same thing. Grug not happy. Grug head hurt from thinking. Why this happen? 4 big reasons. Problem can be shells. Big Chief want build big meeting cave. Need pay cavemen, but no shells. So Big Chief find the big beach. Infinite shells. Everyone get many shells. Grug feel rich. Ha ha ha. All run to buy meat. Meat Man see, wow, so many shells. So 1 meat, 10 shells. More shells, same meat equals inflation. Ugh. Grug give up. Shells just shiny rocks now. Stupid. Okay, but what if shells not many? Maybe problem is meat. Big Fire Mountain angry, scared mammoth away. Hunter find less meat in village, but many Grugs still want meat. When thing become rare, price go up. Supply go down, price go up. Simple. Grug miss old days. Sometimes meat is many, shells not many. Still inflation. Why? Winter coming. Grug is cold. All Grug friends cold. Everyone want warm fur coat. Now. Only one fur coat man. He see everyone want his coat. He say, price go up. Demand go up, price go up. Grug still cold. Last reason, most tricky. Hunter needs spear to hunt meat. Spearman make spear. Spearman needs special shiny rock for spear tip. Shiny rock now deep in scary cave. Hard to get. So Spearman want more shells for one spear. Hunter pay more for spear. So Hunter want more shells for meat. Cost to make thing go up, price of thing go up. Chain reaction. Grug confused. So what Grug do? Big Chief say, don't put all shells in one cave. One cave fall, all shells gone. Get things that make more things, like berry bush or sharp spear. Things that have value, not just shiny shells. Learn new skill. Grug learn hunt, learn build. Grug become valuable. This is cave wisdom. If you want more, subscribe for more cave wisdom. Keep fire burning. Grug is caveman, not financial advisor. This just cave wisdom, not Big Chief money talk. Please not sue. Grug has no shells left.